In autism, to get your needs met, you need to be a fierce advocate, a force to be reckoned with. And as you can see, I have today my honey badger. He's fierce, he doesn't give up, and he advocates for the autism community. And the way we do this is having the 3 C's of a cat. We need to be cool, calm, collective. And I know what you're thinking. How can I be calm when there's a change in my routine? Or how can I be calm when there's a change in policy? First way you remain cool is this. As you clarify exactly what the change is, whether it's in your routine or a company policy, and then you ask them, how will this affect me? Second, you remain calm by taking 3 breaths before you talk to your supervisor or professor or the person making the change. And by taking 3 breaths and thinking about it, you're able to stay calm. Also, ask for an accommodation and make it win-win. During COVID, they were mandating people in the nursing staff at the hospital I work at. So what I did is I went to a professor of autism and had them write a letter asking for me to have an accommodation under Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, so I wouldn't get mandated. And I agreed to work extra hours when I was able. And then finally, collective. Collective means this, is I can take my thoughts and words and I can also put them on paper. And you can be collective by writing a letter to a supervisor, writing a letter to someone that you need an accommodation from. Include in this letter your diagnosis with autism, your request that you're asking, and make sure it's a reasonable request that can be granted. Also, write the reasons you need that accommodation, maybe anxiety, or maybe you need that accommodation for social issues with autism or other disabilities. And then finally, the benefit. By sharing the benefit of them giving that accommodation to you, they're more likely to give you the accommodation. And by remaining calm, you don't have a meltdown, and also you're able to express your accommodation in a way that's peaceful and they're able to relate to. So again, the 3 C's of a cat for advocacy is remain cool, remain calm, and be collected. Be able to share your needs. And by doing this, you can become a fierce advocate like the honey badger, a force to be reckoned with, and receive your accommodations that you need. If you like this video, please subscribe to Ron Sanderson on YouTube.